best places to visit in Bulgaria. 1. St. Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, a symbol of Sofia's spiritual heritage. 2. Prohodna Cave, Eyes of God. 3. The spectacular sand pyramids of Melnik and the small village of Rozhen. 4. Saeva Dupka Cave. 5. Rila Monastery. Stay tuned as we will show you the 5 locations we visited. Don't forget to subscribe to our Nelstill YouTube channel for new travel tips. Welcome to Bulgaria, a small Balkan country that holds countless treasures waiting to be discovered. Nestled amidst the picturesque Balkan, Rila, Pirin, and Rhodope mountains, Bulgaria offers a perfect blend of stunning natural landscapes and culturally rich towns. Join us on a journey as we explore 5 remarkable places that showcase the beauty and diversity of this captivating destination. So stay until the end of the movie to follow our travel suggestions. First, you will have to choose a hotel where you will stay during your stay in Bulgaria. Our recommendation would be this hotel, where we felt excellent. We enjoyed a superb view of the city, which we could admire directly from the window of our room. Park Hotel Moskva, located in the Borisova Garden area, this hotel provides a pleasant environment to relax and explore the city of Sofia. In the evening, we chose to eat at the Happy Bar and Grill restaurant near the hotel. For this, you will have to make an appointment because it is difficult to find a free table at this restaurant. The menu with culinary delicacies is very varied and very delicious. We were pleasantly impressed. The portions are very consistent and look the same as in the presentation pictures on the menu. In conclusion, we recommend you to eat at this restaurant with decent prices, and you will not regret it. 1. Sofia. Immerse yourself in the vibrant capital city of Bulgaria, Sofia. Explore its historic charm and modern allure, where iconic landmarks such as the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. From its bustling streets to its cultural events, Sofia will leave you captivated. Witness majestic splendor. Visit St. Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, a symbol of Sofia's spiritual heritage. Whether you seek architectural marvels, spiritual enlightenment, or a deeper connection with Bulgarian culture, this iconic cathedral offers an unforgettable journey. 2. Prohodna Cave, Eyes of God. Why visit Prohodna Cave? Discover a captivating blend of nature and mythology as the ethereal sunlight filters through the openings, casting enchanting beams of light onto the cave floor. Witness the breathtaking wonder of Prohodna Cave, famously known as the Eyes of God. Immerse yourself in the unique atmosphere of this geological masterpiece, where the interplay of light and shadows creates an awe-inspiring spectacle. Melnik City. Melnik invites you to step back in time and experience the charm of this architectural gem. Let the town's rich history, remarkable architecture, and natural beauty captivate your senses. From wine tasting to cultural immersion, Melnik offers a truly unique and unforgettable journey. Let us guide you through the highlights. Architectural marvels. Explore the beautifully preserved houses, some dating back to the 18th and 19th centuries. Admire the unique blend of Ottoman, Bulgarian revival, and local architectural styles that grace the town. Wine tradition. Delve into Melnik's long-standing wine tradition, as the town is renowned for its vineyards and wineries. Sample the locally produced wines, particularly the famous Melnik wine, known for its rich flavor and unique qualities. Take a moment to savor the flavors and appreciate the wine culture that has shaped this region. Natural beauty. Immerse yourself in the breathtaking natural surroundings of Melnik. The town is nestled in a valley surrounded by stunning rock formations, creating a picturesque backdrop for your exploration. Be sure to visit the nearby sandstone pyramids, a natural phenomenon that adds to the town's allure. The Melnik Pyramids. Discover the enchanting Melnik Pyramids, natural sandstone formations located near the town of Melnik. These pyramid-like structures rise majestically from the surrounding landscapes, creating an otherworldly ambience. Immerse yourself in the beauty of these geological wonders. Step into tranquility. Discover Rozhen Monastery. A spiritual sanctuary near Melnik. Enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and Melnik as you explore the monastery grounds. Take in the serene beauty of the natural landscape and capture moments of tranquility. Rozhen Monastery offers a captivating glimpse into Bulgaria's spiritual and cultural heritage. It invites you to explore its rich history, admire its architectural splendor, and find solace in its peaceful surroundings. A visit to this remarkable site near Melnik is a journey of discovery, spirituality, and profound beauty. Saeva Dupka Cave. Embark on an underground adventure at Saeva Dupka Cave, one of Bulgaria's most captivating caves. Traverse its magnificent chambers adorned with awe-inspiring stalactites and stalagmites. Let the wonders of this subterranean realm leave you in awe. Rila Monastery. Uncover the spiritual and cultural heart of Bulgaria at Rila Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Admire its stunning architecture and intricate frescoes that tell stories of devotion and history. Experience a sense of tranquility amidst the serene surroundings of this sacred place. Conclusion. Embarking on this journey through Bulgaria will reward you with a tapestry of natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and unforgettable experiences. From the vibrant energy of Sofia to the mystical caves and the spiritual sanctuary of Rila Monastery, Bulgaria offers a diverse range of attractions that will leave you inspired and in awe. Embrace the allure of this hidden gem and create memories that will last a lifetime.